plenty of wine. There's plenty of wine. This is so good, Bob. Even the wood choppers are watching. Yeah, they're thirsty. Clean the floor. Clean the floor. Big moment. Wave those flags. Wave those flags. Good job. Folks in the front are happy with that move. Not one, but two. 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh!
That's good, though. She left it all on the floor. Stop.
I think I jinxed them by saying they went perfect Friday night. They didn't spill a drop Friday night.
It's been a long week and a party, though. Look at that. She's not even looking down.
Woo!
All right, let's get the score from the wood choppers. They're liking it. This is going to be good. He's keeping his balance between the American and the Bass flag. He's found that sweet spot. Oh. Look at that touch-off move.
Woo!
Good foul.
He holds the pose and goes with the bow.
Wave those flags. You deserve it.
You only see that at 5,000 feet. There's a lot going on here with the sun outside. Whoa!
This young man is light on his feet. Harder with your heel, big guy.
Coming in for intimidation. For the Lantanza.